There are four types of number or figure styles inside of InDesign, as you can see here. There are proportional lining, proportional old style, tabular lining, and tabular old style. So what do each of these mean? So proportional lining means that the numbers have proportional spaces between each of them, meaning the spaces are roughly even. Whereas tabular means that the spaces are not even, however, the numbers do line up over multiple lines, as you would have inside a table, hence the name tabular. The difference between lining and old style is, as you can see, the numbers align at the top and bottom here, the cap height and the baseline, whereas these do not. These are closer to lowercase letters. Now, if we see these in context, proportional is generally best used for text. So you can see here, there were 45 sheep. 45 aligns at the top and bottom, giving more of a modern look, whereas 45 gives more of a traditional look, as you might see in a book, for example. And these tabular ones are best used in the cases of where you have tables or lists of numbers. And you can see this is how the lining versus the old style looks. Tabular old style is very uncommon, and tabular lining is recommended for most use cases where there are lists or tables of numbers. To change the figure style, press Command T to open the character panel, click the drop down, then OpenType, then choose your figure style here. Alternatively, you can open a paragraph style you've created, go to the OpenType Features tab, then select your figure style from this drop down here.